naman yung reactions niyo regarding
Yung?
reactions niyo, sir, regarding sa allegation po ni former President Duterte regarding sa blank item?
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. And he's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie. I was watching the news earlier today and people were saying, it's 4,000 pages. Paano namin ibubusisiin yan? Ang gaganto, para titignan namin isa-isa. Hindi na lang. Meron namang kopya that's available on the website of DBM. Tignan ninyo, huwag na ninyong busisihin isa-isa. Hanapin nyo yung sinasabi nila na blank check. Tignan ninyo kung meron kahit isa para mapatunayan na tama ang sinasabi ko, kasinungalingan yan.